What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be how me and my friend Jordan helped get my eBay account to 600 active listings. It took both of us around 8 hours. I was previously at about 483 active listings. So in 8 hours, we got 120 more listings on my eBay account. Not only that, while we were listing, I sold a couple $100 and like 8 products, so we had to list even more than normal. But anyway, let's get into the video. So guys, we are currently at 485 and it is 2:15. Our goal is to get 600 by the end of the night. With my employee Jordan right there listing my items. He's doing the clothing. I'm gonna do the storage system of the clothing, and then once he's done with clothing, we're gonna list hard goods together. I'm paying him $12 an hour for it, and he's making me profit back, so it's gonna work out. So let's see if we can make a lot of money off this. So guys, it's currently been an hour. We're at 498 listings. He's almost done with shirts. These are all shirts we have left, all the clothing. After we list the clothing, we're gonna fly through it because clothing's the slowest listing, and because I'm teaching him how to list and I hate listing clothing, it's gonna be really slow. I'm doing gloves right now. Once he's to the hard goods, we're gonna be flying through it. We should get this done within a couple hours. So guys, it is currently 3:32 and we officially hit the 500 mark. We're at 502 right now at 3:32. So guys, Jordan is gonna go see his mom for a little bit. It is currently 3:53 and we're at 510 active listings now. I'm gonna go ahead and update you guys a little bit more, so let me show you everything. So this is all he has left to list. He already took pictures, he's listing that. These are all the shirts that he listed. I already have them labeled in the bags. You can see there's even shirts, jeans. I ran out of Ziploc bags, so I just started throwing them in my envelopes. And then these are the gloves I have listed right here. And then these are the gloves I'm listing right here. So the plan is to have all this stuff listed. I'm trying to get 600 listings by the end of tonight. It might take a while. We might be up till 2 in the morning, but we're trying to get 600 listings. My duo's coming to town. If you guys don't know who my duo is, go look at my old gaming videos. He's been to town once. I've known him for 6 years, and last year he came on his 18th birthday. This Friday, I'm going to North Carolina, picking him up, bringing him back, and he's gonna stay with me for a week. So I'm trying to make sure my room is clean and looking nice. If I have a lot of stuff in my room, the fan doesn't circulate air real well when it starts to get hot. And when he's bringing his PS4 and we're gonna be gaming together and the PS4s are hot, it's gonna be really hot in my room. So I'm trying to get stuff out, get stuff moving, while also making money and making space in my room. But anyway, enough talking. I'll update you guys later when he's back and when we start listing again. So guys, now it is 4:50. Jordan isn't back yet. He said about another hour. He had some stuff he had to do. But we're currently at 526, somewhere over there. 526 listings right there. I have 3 more pairs of gloves, or those 3, and then 2 of those, which are the same style, just different colors. I have filled this bag up. I'm gonna fill that bag up next. Once I'm done with gloves, I'm gonna start going through these. This is 2 totes plus this stuff. I'm hoping to get at least this tote done tonight, or at least one of these totes, because a lot of it's bigger and smaller items. This is a bunch of small car parts, and those will take a long time. A long time. So I'm focusing on the big stuff now. Now guys, it is currently 5:10 and I have 530 active listings. I'm gonna wait for Mr. Glalvxy, Mr. Jordan to get back, and then when he gets back, I'm going to start listing again. But until then, I'm gonna finish my movie, and then I'll update you guys when he's here. Guys, Jordan is back. Our plan is to eat dinner and then we'll start listening again. It's what, almost 6:30, 7 o'clock? So we didn't think about this when we first started about the items I'm gonna sell. I already sold 6 items for $150. So now we gotta relist 6 more items on top of the 120 we were supposed to list. We're at 527 right now, and we're hoping to get to 600 by midnight, 1 o'clock. But yeah, we're gonna eat dinner, then I'll update you guys. So we just finished eating, got Mr. Glalvxy right there. Yes, sir. We're now at 527 and it is 7:30. Our plan is to list everything on the bed and then list these 2 totes right here. So hopefully that's 600 listings. If not, I have all those little car parts right there. But we're just gonna go ahead and list for a couple hours and I'll update you guys when we're done.
3 hours later.
So guys, we finished. It is 11 o'clock on the dot. We got 600 listings. I'll throw a picture up on screen. Thanks to Jordan right there.
Yes, sir.
So he's helped me 7 hours the past 2 days. I'm giving him $90 for it, and I should make a lot of money profit. As you guys see, at 2:15, we had 485 listings, and you know, we took breaks periodically, but at 11 o'clock, we now have 600. So it is possible to list 120 items in a couple hours. That's crazy. Now you guys might be wondering what 120 items actually looks like. I'm gonna go show you. So guys, this is what 120 items listed looks like. That's full. This is also full. This is full. This is full of clothing, plus that. And then all 3 of these bags are full. I know it's kind of dark, but I have these sorted as B1, 2, 3 or whatever as my totes. These are actually gonna stay because I need to sell my clothing and I need more space for them. This goes in B4, and then these go on my shelves. That's why they're in totes, because they're too big. But anyways, guys, that's basically it for the video. Big shout out to Jordan. He's slumped right there. But anyway, thanks for watching and keep flipping.